You should come along to a Clearing Open Day because you get to meet current staff and student ambassadors that are currently at the university.
It's a fantastic opportunity to have a look at the campus, have a look at the accommodation and see the vibe as well about the place.
You get to meet the amazing lecturers that we have on campus one-to-one. You can ask them one-to-one questions about anything.
It's also an opportunity to meet the students that are currently studying, where you can ask them lots of questions about student life.
The campuses across South Wales are super accessible and super easy to get to.
We have a free minibus service that travels very regularly from our Treforest campus to our Glyntaff and then to our sports park.
There's train stations within a 10-minute walk from all campuses, and you can easily access it by train, by car, even by foot between some campuses.
I really recommend coming along and having a look. You've got nothing to lose and perhaps the whole future to gain.
There's still time to book onto a Clearing Open Day, and it's really recommended that you do. It's probably one of the best decisions you'll ever make.